In this video, I will show how to get property boundaries into Google Earth. Now there are two methods that can be used. First one's a fairly direct method, but relies on being able to see the boundaries clearly in the Google Earth image. The second method involves Google Maps. Now I'll initially show you how it would be done in Google Earth if you can see the boundaries. We'll use this property here as an example. We can see the northern boundary fairly well there, and the eastern boundary, southern boundary, and then it kind of disappears. Now, to use it, you would click on this new path tool in Google Earth, and then it comes up with a thing like this, which you can click around on the boundaries, and I've got to guess where to go here. And I've got no idea where the boundary goes in here, so this is more than likely wrong. So we'll have a look at the second method, which involves using Google Maps. Because Google Maps, unlike Google Earth, will show property boundaries if it's zoomed in sufficiently. So we'll open Google Maps. Now over here in the top left we have a menu symbol. We click on that, we get a drop-out list which includes an item called Your Places. Click on that. Another window opens which has 4 tabs. Click on the Maps tab, and right down the bottom there is a Create Map. We click on that. Now, a little bit of delay here while Google Maps is going into a special mode. So it's come up with a pretty broad picture there. If you type in the search box here, roughly where you want to go, it will quickly go there. Now, at this time you can just manually zoom in to what the part you're interested in. Now at the moment private property boundaries are not showing, but if we click in a bit, zoom in a bit more, now they have appeared. See these grey lines? Now click on this tool called Add Line or Shape. You get a little crosshair which you can just go around it. Every time you click, it joins up the lines. And when you go back to the starting point, it will close the boundary. A dialog box comes up which gives you the opportunity to give it a name. And you can save that. At this point you can also change the fill. We have a little fill tool here, so we can select one of the quite a few colours. We'll choose red. Now it appears to be pink here, and that's because the transparency, which there's a slider for just here, is set 70% or something. If you set it to 0%, then the fill will be red. If you set it for 0%, there will be no fill, but you've still got a border. And there's also a slider for the border. You can make it very thick or something more usual like that. So there we have it, an accurate border created in Google Maps. Now you can go over here and click on Untitled, and it'll give you the opportunity to name that if you want to. You can also add a description there. We'll save that. Now there are some powerful options here. You can add layers, you can share with someone, for instance via email, but the thing that I'm interested in for this video is this option here. If we click this, we get the option to export to KML/KMZ. I'll click on that. We'll choose KML, and if I click download, it's downloading a small file to the computer. which can be saved or opened. I'll save it. So that will be downloaded typically to your downloads folder, which you can access from here. Now a KML folder will open Google Earth by default. So if I click this, it should open Google Earth. There we have it. Now as you can see, it's got the incorrect white border that we put on here, and it's got the new, much more correct red border. We'll get rid of the white one. And as you can see, this has got the boundary completely glued to Google Earth. So whatever you can do in Google Earth, you can do with this. Okay, thank you for watching.